everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Jyotismithareka and I am going to share a new self-portrait shoot ideas you can try at your home by yourself. Wait, if you don't have anyone to click your shoot your photos, then please don't mind, you can click your photos by yourself. I will share you how can you click your photos at your home by yourself. The hacks, the ideas I will provide you through my videos. But if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, do like my previous videos and watch the full video. Okay, yes, I don't have anyone to click my photos. That's why I click my photos by myself, and you can click your photos by yourself too. So without wasting time, let's start. To start the photo shoot, we have to take some makeups and change our costume. So guys, I am ready with my costume and it's time to take some makeups and tie my hair. My sister will help me in tying my hair and I will have my makeup by myself. Let's see. I'm done with my hairstyle, I'm done with my costume and it's time to take some makeup. So let's start the makeup process, okay? And the hardest part is to wear a heel. Oh my god. Now I can shoot my photos. I will turn on my screen recording. That's how I can share with you how do I pause and how do I click my photos. So without wasting time, let's click our photos. was all about my today's video. Hope you like it, and if you try this idea at your home, then please don't forget to share with me, and don't forget to tag me on my Instagram ID Jyotismita, and I will share a new photoshoot hack, photoshoot idea with you through my next easy video. For the time, it's time to ta-da!
Follow me on Instagram for more updates.